Beauty Supply, and I got these earrings. I had an idea of putting my name inside of here, and how I'm going to do that is by using some wire. So let me show y'all how I'm going to create my name with the wire. These are at your local beauty supply, or at least they're at mine for like $1, so it'll be like $1.09 total, then plus your wire. But we're going to put our name inside of here, so let's get started. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la.
You know, say anything when you do, them must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when you do, I do try to do my way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty, so far we be face. Just to make sure money, yeah. But my people then go say I know